Hello everyone. Let us check our some of the latest job opportunities. The first one is from Jio. They are hiring for Jio customer associate freelance JP. Education required is 10 or 10 plus 2, and freshers can apply for this role. Job location will be Pulvaria. You can check out some of the details about the Jio company. Job profile you can check out, and what are the key responsibilities like customer acquisition, recharge assistance, sales of new connections, query resolution, customer survey experience, data capture. Also, you can check out some of the required skills and qualifications over here. Here you can see what are the benefits you will get if you are working at Jio. Here's the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Accenture company. They are hiring for the record to reports of new associate. Again, education required is any graduate can apply for this role. Experience required is 0 to 1 years, means freshers can apply for this role. And job location will be Bangalore again. You can check out some of the key details about the role. What are the key responsibilities like problem solving, team interaction, detailed instructions, supervision in decision making, individual contributor, shift requirements. Also, you can check out required skills and qualifications what they are expecting. Problem solving ability, effective communication, attention to the details. Also check out what are the benefits for the joining associate, like career development, dynamic work environment, global exposure, inclusive culture. Here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. So friends, if you want to prepare for all these interviews, you can check out our interview preparation playlist, also pseudocode playlist and the logical programming playlist. And you can check out the job opportunities playlist if you have missed our previous videos, as we upload daily opportunities on this channel. Do subscribe and share it with your friends so that they will also get help from it. So let us check our another opportunity. This one is from Oracle company. They are hiring for the analyst, global order management. Again, the education required is graduate or postgraduate. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, means freshers can apply. Job location will be Bangalore. You can check out some of the details about the role, and key responsibilities are like contract validation, cross-functional collaboration, order management, problem resolution, continuous improvement, deadline management. Here you can check out some of the skills and qualifications what they are expecting, why you should join the Oracle company, and here will be the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Amazon. They are hiring for associate quality service and access point QS. Education required is bachelor degree. Freshers can apply for this role, and job location will be Chennai. You can check out the roles and responsibilities in the short. Also responsibilities you can check out like understanding testing procedures, executing testing instructions, reporting, staying calm, other to define processes. Also you can check out the required skills and qualifications what they are expecting, like education background, knowledge of QA methodology, attention to the detail. Again, what are the benefits you will get if you are joining the Amazon company? Here will be the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let's just take our another opportunity. This one is from Cloud Data Engineer. Location will be Hyderabad. Freshers can apply for this role. This is from Egan Solutions, and eligibility is graduate in relevant field. You can check out the responsibilities like design and develop, ensure data integrity, troubleshoot, collaborate with teams. Also, you can check out the skills required and why you should join the Egan Solutions. Here will be the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Okay, so that's it for today, friends. Do subscribe and like for this video and share it with your friends so that they can also get help from it. And if you miss any video, check out job opportunities playlist so that you can apply for other roles. Thank you. I'll see you in